Why do 90% of cats run away when you shout? It's not attitude, it's science. Let's help your kitty trust you instead. Cats have super sensitive ears, so loud sounds freak them out. Instead of yelling, try using a soft, high-pitched voice, like you're talking to a baby. Gently say your cat's name before a command, and always pair kind words with a tasty treat. This builds trust and makes training way easier. Remember, loud equals fear. Gentle equals trust. Sonia and her happy cat agree. Calm voices make for cozy cuddles.
What's something people don't know about training cats? The best training tool isn't a treat, it's playtime. Let's unleash your cat's inner superstar. Daily play is magic for cat behavior. It's not just fun. Play mimics hunting, zaps zoomies, and helps your cat see you as their favorite playmate. Want pro tips? 1. Grab a wand toy and make it dart, wiggle, and hide like real prey. 2. Always let your cat catch it at the end, then toss a treat to seal the deal. 3. Play before meals or training, so your kitty's energy is spent and their mind is ready to learn. Remember, tired cat equals trainable cat, so get playing and watch the chaos disappear.